So this is room 118, which is on the second floor of the Sweet Breeze Inn. What the heck, we'll have you see what it looks like outside as well. And I'll do another one later. But yeah, this is it. It's your basic motel. Very basic. Not as nice as the places I usually stay, but you know, it has a very, very, very small closet that can't even fit the suitcase thing. You've got a pretty good sized TV, microwave and refrigerator that's pretty good sized as well. This is the queen double room, so you've got 2 queen beds and 2 chairs. It's a little small, the room, but it's not too bad for 2 people. And then the restroom, where is the light? Now we can turn the fan off. Okay, so the restroom is your very basic, although it seems to have, I guess, a bidet on it, which is fairly unusual in motels these days, and a good-sized shower bath. And that is pretty much all there is to this room. There's not a whole lot else here. So they do say that it's, you know, each room is unique and it's supposed to be all charmingly decorated. And okay, well, you guys can decide how charming this is. Okay, so Lucy's signing off.